ask something?
Yes,
Why
of
do you
course.
think it's illegal?
It's illegal under the 1861 Offences Against the Person Act because it's bodily harm. And even if you have the permission of the person, that doesn't make it legal. The legal position is very clear, but the police and the Crown Prosecution Service do not bring prosecutions, but they're starting to. And there's a case in Nottingham where a young English woman had an affair with a Muslim man. She got pregnant, but the relationship ended before the boy was born. So she had parental responsibility from the beginning, and when 3 months later, after he was born, the paternal grandparents, had the boy, and they took him to be circumcised. So no permission from her to do that. And the first she knew about it was when she opened his nappy that night. There's blood everywhere.
That's wrong.
Of course, it's wrong, but
Is there no clinical evidence that that it's actually good for your health as well?
You're a Muslim, I guess.
I am, yeah.
Every Muslim I meet thinks that, but the evidence is not. It does not show it. Otherwise, medical authorities would recommend routine male circumcision of birth, and they don't. But they don't now. They have in the past.
They do that. If you go, I know in India, they sometimes recommend people from other faiths to do circumcision because it's good for the health.
It's not good for the health.
It prevents urinary.
It doesn't.
Prevents urinary tract infections.
The boy I was talking about, he has had urinary tract infections since the operation.
That's clearly wrong. I mean, you can't do that.
But it's very common. But it is not necessary.
That is wrong.
But it's illegal, and it breaches human rights conventions.
Absolutely, yeah, I totally agree. Yeah.
So circumcision must end, and it is unquestionably illegal. The government doesn't disagree with that. It's unnecessary. There's so many things in the Quran and other holy books that say do this, do that. And we were at Speaker's Corner recently, and a Christian said he wanted the law in London, and he said he wanted the UK law, to be based on the Old Testament, including circumcision. So I said, okay, that would mean then that you should be able to kill blasphemers, children who disobey their parents, adulteresses, not adulterers, adulteresses.
It doesn't say you should kill the blasphemers.
It doesn't say. The Bible certainly does. Absolutely, certainly does. Yes, and I think the Quran does. But
if you pick things out of context, you
no. I'm sorry. No. I'm saying. I'm trying to make the point.
No, what I'm trying to say is, if a layman opens a brain surgery book, and he opens and says, "Oh, cut the head to remove your headache." If someone does that doesn't mean that the brain surgery book is...
No, but we're talking of holy books, which tell...
That's why you have scholars to go and reference.
Please, can I just finish?
Yeah.
The holy books, which on the same page tells you to circumcise, in Genesis, Leviticus, on the same page it will tell you to kill adulteresses, it will tell you to kill blasphemers, and you don't do that. So why is circumcision left? And the reason circumcision is left is because it's males, and people don't care about males. That's the only reason. So I mean, I don't think you would want to kill people because they're adulteresses, would you? But it's in your holy book. It's in the Bible as well. But we've moved on from that. The world's moved on. But in this area, your religion and Judaism.
It's clearly out of context.
It's not. It's totally in context. Of course, it's the same holy book.
But it's not up to certain things.
No, sorry. Circumcision is not in the Quran.
I don't know.
We do kind of say that we should have
But it's completely optional.
No. I know.
It's not obligatory.
No. But it is so deeply entrenched because in Islam, which to me, culture and religion are so close, like no other religion. And so if something is a big cultural thing, which this is, then it becomes part of your religion, and that becomes part of the problem. But it is illegal, and prosecution. Sorry, I talked about this boy in Nottingham. FGM is specifically illegal, but it never had to be. It's illegal under the Offences Against the Person Act, 1861. So there are reasons why the feminists wanted FGM to be specifically illegal. But to go back to Nottingham, the doctor who performed that operation was arrested on suspicion. Well, it's not suspicion; it's a certainty of committing grievous bodily harm with intent. And for that, the maximum sentence is life imprisonment. And the grandparents were also arrested on conspiracy of exactly the same thing. And I have a private prosecution coming up against a Jewish doctor who has circumcised thousands of baby boys. And I want to see that guy in prison. I really do.
I respect your views.
Thank you very much.
And have a nice day.
Thank you, and you.
I just wanted to.
Take
very
care.
curious. I've never seen anyone protesting against.
No. I think
have a nice one.
Thank you. So this is my political party, and we're the only men's party in the world.
If your intention is good, then I wish you all the best.
It is good. I think it is.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, and you. Take care.